Alright, this is Don with Olmec for Film. We are switching over equipment. We've got this 98 van, power steering pump leak. I just got up replacing all the hoses. It's not in bad shape. I mean, cosmetically it's not good. It's got some rust on it, especially on the other side. But we've stripped it of all of its equipment. So it's got no equipment in the back of it. I gotta get them two, they had the heater hoses coming back into the back of the van, so gotta get them all taken care of. It leaks when I'm running, so we gotta run it very little. Anyways, the van's still, the drivetrain is still in great shape. I rebuilt it when I bought it. Needs the oil changed. I got that stuff in there. I got brake pads for it. I've got the seals to rebuild the steering gearbox, but you know, it was in the service, so I just couldn't do it. We'll probably strip all this stuff down and get rid of it. Maybe not, I don't know. But it's going to come up on the market here for long. It's got I think 187,000 miles on it, less than 200. I got it wrote up there on that card for fuel. Anyway, the old van is going to get retired. Somebody else is going to use it. But finally, after 2 years of searching and trying to do, we got this beast. It is a Ford E350. It is, or has, 64,000 miles on it. It is from Enterprise Rental Company. It does have a 16-foot box on the back of it. My guy's going to come out and measure it. I think he might have already been out. I don't know. It's an E350. Ding and bell's going to go off. We're still setting up everything. So everything, all the equipment's in it. So it's a cutaway. 2019, so we upgraded by 20 years. E350. It's got a V8 in it. Used trucks. Well, this one's only got 64,000 miles on it, so it's not too used. We got the old equipment inside this van. It's all bolted down. Everything. We got everything loaded in here. We'll probably rearrange it. We got tons and tons and tons and tons of room compared to a van. Actually 6 foot on the back side of it. So as I said, it's a 20 or 16 foot box. Got all our fans here, whatnot stuff. So everything's hanging up like normal. Some of the stuff I had in the cab that was back here now. Extra hoses, extra extended cord. There's probably 200 foot of extra solution hose there. Keep all our chemicals up in the same spot. Sitting on the hot water tank. It's 120 gallons of hot water. And I purchased this today. It is a 46-inch Yukon, I think. Yukon. It's underneath that strap. 46-inch hard top, 9 drawer. It's got one top drawer here. That's the full length. Got some stuff in there to keep us up and running. Your old heat gun, flashlight, some tape, some gloves, some mask, door stops, ratchet strap, and that's all the fittings and stuff, whatnot that we got. It's probably going to get rearranged. That's some of our stuff for putting underneath furniture. I thought I had more than that, but I guess I used more. I don't know. Most of this stuff probably could just go away. Gloves, some stuff. I can put that in between two 2-inch pipes, or yeah, solution hose. I got my rags booties and stuff like that down in there. Some felt filters. That cap goes over here on the tank, and they're plastic, so heat gets to them and they distort. I'm gonna get the more caution signs out. Oh, and an empty drawer. Another empty drawer. And then my filter and this out here. One-handed. Will it close? Yes, it will. So I got a walk wheel, an extra pump seal down there, jumper cables, and the old alcohol lamp trap. So it's fixed to the wall with a ratchet strap right now. Bought that. All this is Harbor Freight stuff. So got a 2-can holder there. So anyway, it's set up. Oh, I bought these Mighty things too for the spotters. So we got stain one. That's just regular window cleaner. That's the citrus stuff. Red one is about gone. There's some more red one. This some stuff that don't get used a whole lot. It's dinge away apartment carpets and stuff. PC 45 is just a little bit extra strength spot killer. And that stuff. So it's set up, tank is full, and we're heating the water up, and we're going to get it ready for Monday morning and start doing business out of there. So we got a few little things to clean up yet, but for the most part we're organized, we're ready to go. So up and running. Got your carpets need to be cleaned, give us a call. Olmec Reflections, 513-817-1700. And the dog is going to bark at something, probably nothing. So yeah, all the social media stuff. OlmecReflections.com is our web page, and you can get to all the social media stuff, Facebook, yeah, all that stuff. Yes. So give us a call, guys. We're up and running. We're never missed a beat. This venture was a 2.5-year adventure trying to get a box truck. It's not the one that I want. I want that one that's going to have a lower box on it and a shorter box. This is a 16-foot. I wanted a 14. But if you're ever look for a used box truck, or even a new box truck or van, they don't exist. I lucked into this one and immediately took action. So, all right, guys, give us a call. We'll get you squared away. See ya.